Have you ever wanted to share your faith with your friends and family but kind of just don't know where to start? A lot of us can run into that problem. I've been there myself. But we're going to be delivering a course here, the Christian Life and Witness course, and this is part of the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. They're going to be sending a team here to kind of put on this to help equip us in how to share our faith. It's going to be happening on Wednesday the 13th of April. It's only one evening. We're going to be starting it a bit earlier than we would Bible study, so it will be from 7 till 9:30, and it's got all the tools that we need to know how to share our faith effectively with those around us. So why not join along for that? Sign up online and join for this course where you can learn how to share your faith more effectively with people around you. So we'll see you there.
I spent the day in the shade of a tree, thinking how we best spend this precious time that we've been given.
They are restless and they're searching for true meaning in life.
This is a critical time in the UK. We must proclaim the gospel like never before.
There's a world out there that's dying. There's a world out there right outside that door that's going to hell. What are we going to do about it? What are you going to do about it?
To support Christians in sharing their faith, the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association developed the Christian Life and Witness course.
It was a really simple way of understanding and how to talk to people about Jesus.
The course explores how to live the effective and victorious Christian life.
And I have more courage to stand up and witness to people and talk more about my faith and what it means to be a Christian.
The course also seeks to empower you to help new believers start their own lifelong walk with Jesus Christ. The Christian Life and Witness course is open to all who want to learn practical ways to share their faith. For more information, please visit our website.
On Sunday the 27th of March it's going to be Mother's Day, so we'll be having a special service here. So this is your reminder to get your mum something. If you're anything like me, you'll need that reminder. But join us here for that service where we'll have some gifts and flowers going out to the mums of the church, and it's going to be a wonderful time celebrating mums all round. We're going to be running an outreach event with churches together on Good Friday in Bilston High Street. So you're going to want to turn up for that because it's going to be good. But you can get involved from now because on that day we're going to be giving out some cream eggs for everyone who turns up. So if you'd like to be a part of this, then why not, when you're doing your shopping, go along, grab some cream eggs and donate them to the church so that we can get hundreds that we can give out to people, so we can share with them God's love for them and share them the good message of Easter. So bring some cream eggs to church and join us for that Good Friday event. Did you know that there's 5 Wednesdays in the month of March? It's a long one, guys. But on the last Wednesday of that month, we're going to be doing our Leadership Development Night, and we're going to have guest speaker Pauline Young from Zion Community Church in Birmingham join us for that evening to talk to us all about leadership. And so why don't you join us, sign up online for the event and come along for the Leadership Development Night. Oh, hey guys, if you're interested in being in the worship team, we are holding some auditions here at church where you can audition to be in our worship team. So this is whether you can sing or whether you play an instrument like me. Why not give it a go and come along on Sunday the 10th of April at 4 p.m. for our auditions. So make a note of that, get it in your diaries and join us for the worship team auditions. So don't forget, this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And that's all for XL News. So have a wonderful week, guys.